So once upon a time, I heard skinny bitches couldn't cook. And then I woke up. So today we are getting into some chicken Parmesan. And this dinner can be cooked within less than 30 minutes, y'all. So I'm starting off by cleaning off my chicken breast. I'm just peeling the fat off the chicken breast because you don't want that, okay? So you want to peel it off, and don't worry, I bleach my sink once I'm done because I don't need y'all coming at me. So once I clean the chicken, I am going to season it, and I'm using some chicken seasoning, onion, garlic, more chicken seasoning. That is Sylvias, that's one of my favorites. Some sazon and more garlic powder, and we're gonna mix it all up. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave it all below what I use to season it. So now you want to get your pan ready. Get that oil hot, okay? I didn't use too much oil, just enough to cover the chicken breast. And this is my first time using a house orchard chicken. So instead of flour, that's what I'm using. This is a substitute. And then I'm going to season that flour all up. And I'm going to dip my chicken breast, chicken tenders, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna make sure that it's all covered up and lathered in flour. This way we want it to be crunchy and, deep fried. So just mix it all up in that batter and then throw it in the hot oil. And make sure your oil is hot. To check that, you can sometimes just sprinkle some flour, and if you see it sizzling and bubbling, then okay, it is ready to go. If it's not doing anything, just give it a few more minutes. And usually I let it sit about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes on each side, and then I flip it over until I see that it is nice and brown. In the meantime, while that is frying, I am going to put on the spaghetti. So when I do my spaghetti, I like to break it in half. This way it stretches. It's more and it's easier to cook through, because if I don't, the spaghetti is very long. So some will be boiled and another part wouldn't be cooked. So we want everything to cook evenly. Now, so that so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other and gets really hard, you want to use some olive oil, vegetable oil, and place that inside that pot. Like I said, I'm gonna flip it over because I want it to be nice and golden. I'm telling y'all, I know y'all wish y'all could come and eat this out of the screen. I'm telling you, this shit was good. It was good. And this is real simple. You don't have to be a chef. You don't have to be a great cook. This is a 1, 2, 3 dinner. So now we're gonna move on to the sauce, my favorite part. I'm using a Prego. I usually like to use the Prego. I'm not a ragu person. I'm a Prego person. And what you're gonna do is season up your sauce, because it's not seasoned enough. And the key ingredient is brown sugar. So don't tell me that I don't give y'all no secrets, because that is a huge secret right there. This just gives it more flavor and it's not so bitter. I don't like my pastas to be bitter. And now the fun part, you want to layer everything together. So it's noodles, and then it's sauce, and then we're gonna place some chicken breast in there. Now you can cut it up if you want, but I'm leaving it the way it is. And I'm just gonna place all of them inside of that. And then you wanna add some more sauce. Now save a little bit of sauce, okay? but you're going to add some more sauce, and then we're going to add some cheese. Use whatever cheese you like, but for chicken Parmesan, it's usually mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. So I'm using a little bit of both, and I like my shit extra cheesy. And boom, 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 boom. There you go. There you go. Sprinkle some parsley on top to make it look extra fancy, like you in Italy or some shit. And boom. And then it is ready to serve. I served mine with some Caesar salad. And I did have garlic bread. However, it wasn't ready yet. So it was ready for the second plate. But let's go ahead and ask my daughter how is it. Okay, we're going to ask the 1-year-old what she think of this meal.
Good?
Good.